We are so fortunate to have education without any problem. I feel so sad for the children in India who can't go to school due to less money. I have saved some money to give to ACRE so they can build schools to the children who can't go. I feel so happy about it.
We are very happy to contribute in this noble cause with Ekal, and we wish Ekal a very best.
We have been supporting the Ekal Vidyalaya Foundation for at least 10 years now. I think for what they do in spreading education in rural India is extremely commendable. I would urge all of you to support this movement. Thank you.
Thank you for allowing us to be part of the Ekal Vidya family. We're happy to support children in India so that it provides them with an opportunity, and we would hope that it will encourage all of you to do likewise.
This is a great opportunity for children, and we support Ekal because of the children.
Ekal is a great project. Literally in $1 a day, you can run a school in a remote village of India where 30 to 35 students can be taught. It is an excellent opportunity and worthwhile money.
Support Ekal.
Education is our family is the most important thing, and all Indians should be capable to sponsor our Indian kids who need the education. Should sponsor the school or the kids to give them education whatever we can.
Ekal is doing an excellent job for 6,000 villages, and it goes to the right people, and then they are helping kids. That's why we are supporting Ekal.
I got involved in Ekal Vidyalaya because it's the kind of institution and effort which is going to really reach the small section of India where it's needed. So I'm always going to be supportive of it.
Swami Vivekananda said, if the child cannot come to the school must go to the town. Ekal Vidyalaya makes this saying come true.
Please join us in supporting Ekal.
Namaskar. Vidyadan is the most important dawn we can offer to the humanity.
That's why we support Ekal.
Hello. I think Ekal is doing an excellent job all over the world, and we are so privileged to be part of Ekal Vidyalaya program, and we always look forward to the programs coming to our town. Thank you.
Namaste. As in our Shastras it is being said, like Vidyadanam is a Shrestha Danam. So that's why I support Ekal movement for education. Thank you.
We are so proud of Ekal Vidyalaya to be helping those needy students in India, and we have all our support for you.
I totally believe in education. Anybody can do well in life if they get the proper education, and Ekal Vidyalaya is just going out of their way. Their teachers are so dedicated to be able to spend $365 and probably serve a whole village is amazing.
I think India, Ekal Vidyalaya is doing wonderful because they are giving education, and education is the only thing that can uplift the country.
I came to know about Ekal about 5-6 years back when it was brought to our town, and the work they do in rural area regarding hygiene, education and studies are so impressive. I really like it where we have failed as a society ourselves.
It's easy to write for me to send the money, but I always admire the teacher who are working with the less money and go in the remote area. They don't care about the city life and live the simple life there. That's why I like to support, and I keep supporting the Ekal.
It takes a lot of dedication to run Ekal schools throughout 60,000 villages in India, and Ekal is spread throughout India and Nepal.
ECAL has been doing a very good job of giving education in the remote area in India. We have been supporting ECAL from many years in Bloomington. I would request everyone to support ECAL and it will go a long way in supporting ECAL.
ECAL का काम बहुत नेक है. मेरी आप सबसे प्रार्थना है कि उसमें सहयोग दीजिएगा. धन्यवाद.
What we have been seeing in centuries, India is lacking in education, and education is very important for growth and development in India. And ECAL has been sponsoring quite a few programs, and of which the education program seems to have impressed us the most.
And I think each and every Indian should sponsor at least one school.
I think ECAL's program is very wonderful, very exciting. There are lots of opportunities for our youngsters to get involved and see wonderful growth in India, in all the villages. So I'm very pleased. Thank you.
In every person's life, there are very few occasions where a small donation can affect many lives. Ekal Vidyalaya is one of them. That's why I support Ekal.
ECAL is doing outstanding work in remote places of India for the cause of education. Please support this cause by donating $365 a year. It will go a long way.
We are proud to support ECAL because it is instrumental in catering the educational needs of underprivileged kids in India.
भारत का वह ग्रामीण क्षेत्र जहां पाठशाला एक सपना है, एकल विद्यालय इस सपने को साकार कर रहा है. हमें गर्व है कि हम भी इस प्रयास के भागीदार हैं.
Over the last 50 years, ECAL has done a phenomenal job for education and really literacy in the rural parts of the country, and it really built the base for which it's now they have started going on to the Vidya Bharati schools and going all the way to the higher education. It's one of the most prominent education institutions in India.
Namaste. I have visited ECAL Vidyalayas in Nagpur and Amravati, and highly impressed by the children and particularly by their teachers. They have so little, but they are so enthusiastic. That's why I would like you to support ECAL.
ECAL ఒక చాలా మంచి సంస్థ. ఇది మన దేశంలో చాలా మంచి పని చేసి అందరికీ విద్యా బోధన చేసి మన దేశవాసులందరినీ పైకి తెస్తోంది. మనం మన డబ్బుతో దీన్ని ఇంకా ప్రోత్సాహం చేసి ముందుకు పంపించాలి. మీరు కూడా మీ డబ్బు దానం చేయండి.
We support ECAL for their dedication in teaching the underprivileged rural areas and the tribal areas of India. There is a lot of dedication, devotions in the worker and the volunteers, and we are fully in support year after year. We'll keep supporting. Thank you.
Namaste. I am so privileged and thankful to ECAL for giving me this opportunity to contribute to this large initiative which is run by hundreds of thousands of volunteers. As a child, I had a dream to help the kids who are in the rural area by contributing. And today, thank you ECAL for making my dream come true when I can help the kids. Dhanyawad.
ECAL Vidyalaya is a good association. I want to help the kids to educate, and they are so far away from here, but still they are doing such a good job. That's why I support ECAL.
The best way to understand all about ECAL is to go and see one. And we both have been on ECAL tour in the southern part of India as well as in the western part of India.
And that has been the most rewarding experience for us.
meeting with the teachers, the students and all the villagers. It's just fantastic.
Yeah, we are very glad that what ECHL is doing in promoting education and cultural heritage of India. We really enjoy the group coming here and doing the music program, which we love to enjoy all the time.
Namaste. ECHL Vidyalaya is the largest non-governmental organization in the world, providing education to children in the rural and tribal parts of India. On the occasion of fundraising program in Bloomington, I would like to request all the people in and around Bloomington to sponsor a school and help in this noble cause. Dhanyavad, Namaste.
We support ECHL Vidyalaya because we think they are performing a remarkable service to the people in India, especially the low class people in India. And we will continue to support as long as we are capable of doing.
What I like about ECHL is that there is a real big need in India to give right kind of education, and ECHL is dedicated. That's why I support ECHL.
ECHL is a great grassroots movement that has reached almost every state in India, and I look forward to ECHL reaching 100,000 schools. I love to volunteer, and it's very easy for anybody to volunteer for ECHL.